Hey, welcome back to Bema's Happy Place. Today we're going to take a look at another Hairdorables. So I've not opened any from this series. This is series 3, the color Crimp or curl series. There are 11 surprises inside. So let's go ahead and get inside. I'm really hoping that I get someone who is not Noah. I have a couple of her. Or not Rain. So that didn't work very well. It said to pull across, and that's the hot mess I came out with. Okay, so open here, and that was completely superfluous. I didn't need to do that. Okay, so anyways, open it up. We have our playset and a checklist in the way. So we've got like a salon here. There is a little table with a hairdryer and a plant that can stand up. And then we have our surprises and our doll. Let's do our surprises first. Alright, so number 1. Number 2. Oh, that was number 3. Oops. Number 2. I cannot read numbers. And number 4. Alright, let's see what we have. And I have no idea which one is which now, so we're just going for it. Just going for it. And I can't open the bags. And they probably have a tear strip, but I don't see them, so we're going to use scissors. Alright, so in the first bag, we have... It's like a little... I guess it's supposed to be a crimper because it's not round. That's kind of cool. That the doll can actually like hold in her hand. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, in our next bag, we have a hair piece that has purple hair. And the clip has like a little robot kind of looking face. No name on it. You can't really see the details because of the translucentness. And it's tied up in a knot, which is strange. A piece of the stand and the other piece of the stand. We also got a sticker, but I'm not sure if that tells us who we have, so I'm going to save the stickers for last. Alright, next bag. Got plastic sticking to my hand. We have shoes. And some more stickers. These stickers don't have anybody on them. So we got Hairdorables, got a little flower and a music note and a moon. We've got these funky purple and green little boots. And I think the sticker does tell us who we have. Just based on the color scheme. Alright. Last blind bag. We have, oh, it's a little robot. Very cute. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like her handbag or just an accessory that she carries around. I don't know. And another sticker. Okay, so we got 2 different girls in the sticker, so I'm not sure if this could be one of them or I don't know. So I'll just show them to you. I know her name is Callie. I'm not sure what her name is. Alright, so let's, oh goodness gracious, I have got stuff everywhere. Let's pull that off, pull that off. Alright, so let's see who we have. Da-da-da. That doesn't tell us. Da-da-da. It says, let's see what's in hair. Let's see if I can get my finger on it. Alright, here we go. The moment of truth. Bum, 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 bum. I do believe we have Callie. We do. Her card jumped out at me. So this is Callie. Her bedtime routine is texting with friends. Her favorite flower is a violet. And her signature dance move is the robot. I don't think you can see that because of the light. Okay, let's get her out. Oh, look at all that gorgeous purple hair. All right, so she has got several shades of purple in there. I like how this little section has a little top knot, and then it's like a ponytail. And then we have a big section that is not in the ponytail. That's just like super massive curly bangs here. Digging it, digging it. And as always, Hairdorables hair is super soft. Her little outfit is so cute. I love the little suspenders on the skirt. Her skirt has little robots on it. Around her neck, she has like a little flash drive. Big green eyes with that purple. Oh my goodness. Adorable. Let's get her shoes on her. Bum, ba, ba. Her shoes make her feet look really big. Alright, so there is Callie in her complete outfit with her little robot. Slip that on there. Oh, super cute. And then her little hairpiece. Let me get this undone so we can put her little hairpiece in. As if she needs more purple hair. Alright. This is kind of stuck. Ah! It's kind of stuck. There we go. Okay. And we'll just clip that over here on the side. I can get it through her hair. That smells scented. Maybe I'm smelling that slime I was playing with. Okay, super cute. Oh, she's adorable. And then, like I said, I think this might crimp her hair because it's square instead of round, so I wouldn't imagine it would curl it, but I like it just as it is. I love all this purple hair. I'm so excited I got someone new. Guys, you love Hairdorables, right? They're amazing. They have such soft hair. Oh my goodness, I can't get over it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, do what makes you happy. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.